Hey my dear children, welcome back. Can you guess where I am sitting right now? Yes, inside a bus. Which bus? Yes, it's our school bus. So can you guess where we are going right now? We are going to a place. Can you name that place? Yes, we are going to our school. Do you know the name of our school? Yes, it is Divine Providence School. Can you repeat? All of you please repeat. Divine Providence School. Yes, we are going to Divine Providence School today. Are you all excited? Yes, I am also very excited. We'll have lots of fun there. Hoo-hoo! We have reached our school. What's our school's name? Divine Providence School. Let's say hooray to our school. Divine Providence School, hooray! Divine Providence School, hooray! Children, the bus has stopped now. Now I am going to get down the bus. Yes, we have reached our school. Before going inside our school, let's go and see our school campus. Our school campus begins with this wonderful gate. But before going inside the gate, let me introduce two small rooms on the sides. This is our security room, and our security guard will be sitting inside the room. He will check who all are coming into our school and who all are going out of the school. And this is our security room. Children, this is our school campus. Can you see our school building behind me? Children, this is our school building, Divine Providence School. Children, what all colors can you see in that building? Yes, you can see so many colors. Red, yellow, white, blue. Wow, what a wonderful building, right? What a colorful building. Now, can you see a fleet of buses here? Yes, so many buses, right? These are your school buses by which you come to school and go back home. Children, on my right side, you can see a very large playground where you can play cricket, football and many other games. Children, is that a wonderful ground? There is a beautiful garden in front of our school. See, you can see beautiful white flowers over here. Children, now we are going inside our school. Are you all excited? Are you all excited to see what's there inside your school? Yes, as in your home, you have different rooms like living room, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, etc. Like that, in our school also we have different rooms. Classrooms, library, office rooms, principal room and many other rooms. Do you want to see all the rooms? Do you want to see all? Here we go. Children, this is the reception area. Can you see? And here you can see parents' lounge, where the visitors will come and sit. Okay children, now we will go and see the most exciting part of our school. That's our classroom. Do you want to see your classroom? Now children, tell me in which class you are studying right now? Yes, you are studying in nursery A. Now we are in front of our classroom, nursery A. Now let's go and find out what all objects can you see in your classroom. Yes children, you can see beautifully painted wall. See, you can see a Mickey Mouse and a Minnie Mouse in your classroom, right? Similarly, you can see many paintings on your classroom wall. See children? Can you see a bunny with numbers? Yes. Similarly, you have many pictures on your classroom wall. Do you like these paintings? Yes. Now we will see different objects that are found in our classroom. We'll start with our blackboard. Children, this is a blackboard where your ma'am writes and teaches you, right? So this is the blackboard. Children, this is the smart board where you can watch videos, rhymes, stories, etc. Do you want to hear a song? Do you want to hear a rhyme? Yes, let me play. Did you enjoy the rhyme, children? Yes. Children, this is the bookshelf where you can keep your books, slate, crayons, clay and pencils. Children, what can you see here? Colorful things. These are your tables and chair. See what colorful tables and chairs you have, right? You have green, yellow, red, blue, many colorful chairs and tables, right? Yes. This is a table and chair where you sit on the chair and do your worksheet, as well as you have your snacks and breakfast sitting on this chair, right? Yes. Now what can you see here? These are your sleeping mats where you will take a nap in the afternoon. See, there are many mats over here, right? These are your sleeping mats. Children, I have found an object here. Let me go and take it. See, I have found an school bag. What can you see here? A school bag. All of you carry this bag when you come to school, right? Yes. What all objects will you carry in this bag? Let's see what all objects are there inside your school bag. Yes, I have got a book. Yes, we will carry a book in your school bag. Then, yes, I have got a pencil. Then, crayon box. Then a water bottle. See, these are some objects that you carry in your school bag. Children, now you have seen different objects in your classroom, right? Now see children, I can see some chocolate wrappers and some bits of paper on the floor. Is that a good manner to throw these waste papers and chocolate wrappers on the floor? Is that a good manner? No, right? And what you have to do? Yes, you have to pick all the bits of paper or the chocolate wrappers and you have to throw them in the dustbin. See, can you see a dustbin? What's the color of the dustbin? Yes, an orange color dustbin, right? So you have to pick all these wrappers and you have to throw it in your dustbin. Okay children? Seeing this, I am remembering a rhyme. Shall we sing a rhyme now? Shall we start a rhyme now? You all have to repeat after me. Okay children? Okay, let's start. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, makes a place and tidy, pick them up, pick the bits of paper, lying on the floor, throw them in the dustbin, let's clean up. So children, did you enjoy the rhyme? Yes, throwing the waste papers in a dustbin is a good manner, whether at home or at school. Children, let's do a small activity that shows some good manners as well as some bad manners. If I am showing a good manner, you have to do your thumbs up. If it is a bad manner, you have to do thumbs down. Are you ready? Children, what can you see in this picture? Yes, all the children are standing in a line. They are going to park. Is this a good manner, standing in a line whenever they are going out of the classroom? Is that a good manner? Yes, then show your thumbs up. Yes. Now what can you see here? Two children are fighting for a toy. Is that a good manner? No, then put your thumbs down. Covering your mouth while sneezing. Is that a good manner? Yes, thumbs up. Raising your hands whenever you want to ask something to your ma'am, you have to raise your hands. Is that a good manner? Yes, thumbs up. Sharing a pencil with your friend. Is that a good manner? Yes, show your thumbs up. Yes, children. So these are some of the good manners you have to follow in your classroom. Children, these are some of the good manners you have to follow in your classroom. Now let's go to library where you can find many colorful storybooks. Children, now we are inside our school library. See, you can find many storybooks and many informative books inside your library. Children, let's go to park now. Children, this is your park. There are many things which you can play with. And see, I am in front of a swing now. This is a swing. Now, see, this is a slide. See, red color slide. And this is your merry-go-round. See, what a colorful merry-go-round you have. See, there are many things that you can play with here. Children, so did you enjoy your park? Enjoy playing on your park? Yes, let's go back to our classroom now. Children, so did you like your school, your classroom and your playground? Yes? So this is your school, Divine Providence School. Let's say hooray to our school, Divine Providence School. Hooray! So children, that's all for today. Bye.